what a glorious thing to be, a healthy grown-up busy, busy bee, whiling away the passing hours, pinching all the pollen from the cauliflowers. I'd like to be a busy, busy bee, being just as busy as a bee can be, flying round the garden, the sweetest ever seen, taking back the honey to the deer.
Hello everyone, my name's Emily Mockett and I am the owner of Busy Bee Business Solutions based in Brighton down on the south coast. I'm proud to say that I am the second best rated QuickBooks advisor in the country, hopefully making my way up to the first, and I have made this channel to support my current clients and any potential clients or people that just need a bit of support from all that frantic Googling, trying to find answers for their bookkeeping queries. Whether that be on Xero, QuickBooks or third-party applications such as Receipt Bank, we will explore it all on this channel. We can provide some discussions in the comments section and you can obviously email me with any queries or questions you may have. I look forward to meeting you all, and in the meantime please click subscribe to make sure that you get the most recent up-to-date tutorials that I will be posting in the near future. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Oh, what a glorious thing to be, a healthy grown-up busy, busy